Chad T-Rank, bro.
No, turn around that way. We're gonna detain you right
now. No.
Your name's not Chad,
yes,
dude.
Yes, it is. Dude, let me go.
No, it's not.
Will you let me go, dude?
I just looked up.
Let me
stop.
go, dude.
Stop.
No, dude. Come on, stop. Please.
Your name's not Chad, dude.
Let me
Your name's not Chad.
Let me go.
Your name's not Chad. He's fighting me. Hurry up.
While attempting to take him into custody, the officer observed him concealing a black box in the fender of a nearby vehicle.
I'm gonna tase you, bro. You better stop now. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you, dude. Knock it off, Jared.
Well, 755. Good to see you. Hey, man.
The male.
Like I said, man, first of all, this is why I tell the police, you can't say, well, out of fear for my safety, you should have minded your own damn business. Damn it, Bobby, why is the police not able to mind their business? Hell, I know it's your job to be out minding other people's business, but, hey, for fear of your own safety, mind your own damn business. Leave me the fuck alone. We ain't taking nothing to the ground.
Continuously resisted and was ultimately dropped on his ass, causing the officer's body cam to deactivate.
Oh, yeah, that caused it to deactivate. He cut the camera off because he said, I'm finna whip the boy ass.
Stop it!
Next thing you know, dude's all bloody and fucked up when the camera do come back on. Oh, this was the type of fucking police stop this was supposed to be. They were supposed to have drugs. Where the drugs at? I don't care about normal traffic stops. The black box must have had the drugs in them.
You alright, bud? No. I'm gonna check this out. Alright, meth. Yeah. Meth. Alright, bud. That's it. There we go. That's what I thought.
My name's not Jared.
Oh, you lied about your name. It's not Chad. I can assure you that.
Ironically, his real name wasn't Jared. Instead, he was identified as Jacob, a 31-year-old with 3 active warrants for his arrest.
What's your name, man?
You're gonna find out anyway.
So tell us then.
Tell us.
This is Jacob.
Jacob who?
Can you search him out?
What's wrong?
That other pocket.
Which one?
I'm trying to see if you can reach him up. Can you fold my pants up to my ass back and stick out in front of the lady?
What's in the container, sir? 3 warrants don't mean shit.
Ding, ding, ding. You mean my face? Punch you? I need you. Because I went over there. Looked at the booking for the name he told me. 6'3", 180 something. I was like, no, that's under 5 pounds. You good? That's what I'm talking about.
Good?
Yeah. On meth? Yeah, that's a good amount of meth. You got a cell phone? Analyst around? She did.
So, see, that's what I'm talking about. See, that's that BS right there. So, he didn't even know who the dude was, but he just knew he was lying about who he said he was. No, sorry, Bob, this case should not be held up in court. As soon as I go in front of the judge is going to be like, what happened? Well, I guess that he told me a wrong name. Well, you didn't know the name that he told you. You see what I'm saying? So, that's that BS right there. And then if you didn't already know who he was confirmed, how can you say that he gave you the wrong name? Because when you ran his name, they just searched the name that he gave you for warrants. Then you went back to your squad car, took the same name, put it back into the computer to see the guy's picture. Now you're like, well, now I know. Nah, it ain't what you know. It's what you were already told. You're supposed to let that man go and go on about your business. And then you came back to harass him. See? That whole case should be thrown out. But, hey,